Okay, so we've got a 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage ES automatic 5-door hatchback in white. Travelled only 7,500 kilometres and in excellent condition. Under factory warranty till next year. Good set of tyres, but as you'd imagine, everything's 7,500 kilometres old. Good value too at 12,999, as the brand new ones are now selling at 20,000. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got the multi-function steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity, radio controls. There's your dash there, 7,500 Ks. It does come with a CD radio, air conditioning, and of course it's automatic. Driver's seat, basically brand new, as you'd imagine. Front passenger. There's your back seat there. All pretty much brand new as you'd expect. Just show you inside the boot. A nice big boot as well. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.